Okay, now you have to take these dummies out by pressing the button here and pushing it out. It goes out. The other side, same way. 4 screws each side that you have to take out. So fast forward here. Notice
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay.
Notice there are 4 screws, 2 long and 2 short. The long come here,
The top one.
at the top one, and the short one comes there on each side. Now, the last thing to do is take out these 2 screws. The bottom one on this side, on that side. Okay, now all you have to do is pick the chair up and pull this back up. Okay? And
Alright.
to put it back together is the opposite way. Okay, put that band in, the 2 screws, and then 4 each side, and close the dummies.